This elegant barely lived-in home is ready for you and yours to make memories in. This floor plan and gorgeous color scheme is highly desirable and surely won't last long. Upon entry you will notice how clean and spacious it truly is. Passing by the private office to your right and a half bath, you will then find the formal dining that is just steps away from a dream kitchen that offers granite counters and cabinets galore with an oversized breakfast bar. With 2 living areas, you can easily have your own space to relax, and sitting near the wood-burning fireplace will be the ideal spot on cool nights. The downstairs owner's suite includes a large shower with a separate jetted tub, an abundance of closet storage west/built-ins. After viewing the 2 additional guest bedrooms and full bath downstairs, you must head upstairs and see the full bedroom, bath, and game room/living room. The backyard west